Alright, we're back down here at Blanchard. Early. We're the early birds. I think we got up at 5 o'clock this morning. Come down here and go fishing. See if we can't catch an old rainbow. Are you serious? I mean, soon as. Come on. Pass over. Now that don't pass over. That's really gonna suck. Ha! Are you freaking serious? Wouldn't you know, I'll be down here fishing in a dadgum lightning storm trying to catch some stinky old trout. Oh, tell me my bait was on there. I bet it wasn't. Slung it off, sit right there. Broke my dadgum, boy, I tell you what. I tell you what, it's been a morning. It's been a morning. Dealt with everything this morning so far, just about. Nope. Mm-mm. You know, I'm just gonna leave it right there. Sit back over here. Do nothing. Touch them rods. What's going on with the water? I don't like that. Whoa. That's crazy. Ooh, that's crazy. You see the raindrops here, there, you know, but the water, the whole water is like shimmer. Whoa, that's crazy. Cause there ain't no, that ain't from the raindrops. There ain't no wind blowing either. That's got to be some kind of pressure from something. Yep, I'm out of here, man. My crap blew off. Oh, sure. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh, sorry, Bob. I'm getting out of here. Right now. Yeah.
I'll call it dumb luck first.
Dumb luck. Dumb luck my butt. Look at that thing. Proof's in the pudding, sugar plum. Don't hook me. Huh? Yes. Man, can you get this out of there? Never mind. Let's do it this way. You don't let me catch them all?
We'll see if that thing wants to
Come on, man. Well, I was down here earlier this morning. Yeah, it was rough on me now. It was bad. Get him. Dude, what is going on here? Huh? Yeah. Missed him? Missed him, huh? Alright. He conned me into it. Huh?
I gotta start paying attention.
Conned me into it. Huh? Yeah.
Golden ones out of the river.
Yeah. There's some in there now?
I don't know now.
I'd smoke him.
Huh?
I'd smoke him. Got one right down here flopping around. You know, keep on till he messes up.
I could take some browns too.
Browns. You know what? I know it's crazy, but it's crazy enough that it might just work. It's pretty decent one, ain't it? Oh boy, here it comes. Boy, that's...
I eating that manner.
Huh?
I eating that manner.
Oh yeah. You too. That's a big fish.
Huh?
That's a big fish.
How do I know those guys?
I don't know. That hurt my feelings, Trevor. That is no good, man. Where's our minnow population went? I thought I lost him. Man, that was a big one too, wasn't it? He made a mistake and grabbed it. I'm getting a bite on that minnow. You hear me?
Are you?
Yeah. Ah, come on. Matt, get me a minnow out of there. Camera on, huh? Up and over. Hey, there you go. That was luck. I got that on camera. I got one messing with me. My float. See it? It was. Yep. I know. Got him. He's a fighter. A fighter he is. He got me marlin. Huh? Not bad. If I just get him in now. Without an accident again. Yeah, give me room this time. Ah. That would have been bad. He'd have been flopping around out there, dragging my floater around. Know what I mean? There's 6. Huh. Let's see here. Need a hook. That's all I need for now. I must put new line on that other reel, ain't I? Look at the size fish. It feels heavy. Maybe not. Luck again. No, it didn't break it that time. It come off. Slapping them on the dock, ain't we? Slapping them on the dock, ain't we? You paying attention, boy? Get another, get another. Huh? Come on. Well, we got a bite. I don't know. Maybe finicky biting. Just barely getting them on the lip. Couple more, Trevor, couple more. Huh?
Another one.
Uh-huh. Needed one more. One more. Oh no, what happened? I threw him off, look. I threw my last dadgum minnow off, Trevor.